it's Vianney here. Just to let you know, we're closed on Christmas, so we'll see you after the holiday.
That was perfect. So if you want to learn how to get your camera work right, you should come to this week's film crew. We're going to be doing action scenes, so we need you there.
What's good, y'all? It's me, Roger Bridges. You already know what's popping. And, you know, next Friday I wanted to see y'all at Drop the Mic. I'm going to be there, you know, make sure the energy is up, and I'll see y'all.
Hey there, you ever play Super Mario Maker 2? I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty fun game. I mean, it's on a Nintendo Switch, but hey, if you want to play it, just be there on the next Let's Play.
You might want to join us for our record label workshop to improve your recording skills and to make sure you get the best out of your music. So come on by and join us. We out.
Hey guys, Shamia here, and you want to come through this week's visual design as we learn how to make dope album covers, such as this one. Hope to see you guys there.